After watching this video you will never eat instant noodles again. Before we start with this video I would like to ask you a simple question: do you eat instant noodles and how often? Well, we all know that instant noodles can be very delicious if you combine them with the right toppings. The good thing about these instant noodles is that they are inexpensive, quick and tasty snack that everyone loves. And you can use them as a quick lunchbox option for school or for work when we do not have time to spend a lot on preparing food. But unfortunately you should know that instant noodles can be really bad for you and your health since they do not have nutritional value at all. In this video we are going to show you 7 good reasons why you should avoid or don't eat instant noodles again. List of reasons why you should never buy instant noodles again. Rich in sodium. Instant noodles are loaded with sodium, and you should know that sodium is often used in packaged foods to enhance the taste. We all know that sodium can be very harmful for you and your health in general. It can increase your blood pressure and increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. So all people who suffer from hypertension are advised to eat food rich in vitamins, minerals, and lower the sodium intake to reduce blood pressure. Contain saturated fats. Instant noodles are loaded with saturated fats. Well, the real difference between healthy and unhealthy fats is that not all of them can cause obesity. You should know that healthy fats are a great source of energy, but unfortunately noodles have none of them. They are rich in low-density lipoproteins that increase the cholesterol and the risk of heart disease. Moreover, if they are fried in palm oil, lard or butter before they are packed, they are even higher in saturated fats. Filled with preservatives. Instant noodles are loaded with preservatives. You should know that instant noodles contain butylated hydroxyanisole and T-butylhydroquinone to prolong their shelf life. Although the FDA approves of moderate consumption of these preservatives, their consumption for a longer period of time can cause cancer. They are hard to digest. Instant noodles are really hard to digest. And you should also know that instant noodles can also strain the digestive tract during that whole time they are in your intestines. Well, this means that if your digestive tract cannot process certain food easily, all the toxins that should leave your body will remain there along with the preservatives, and they can potentially cause asthma, diarrhea, harm the reproductive organs and cause cancer. They contain monosodium glutamate. Instant noodles contain monosodium glutamate. But not all of them. Some of them contain monosodium glutamate to enhance the flavor. According to the latest statistics, the researchers have found that people who regularly consume message suffer from severe headaches, chest pain, numbness in the neck and the mouth, and excessive sweating and flushing episodes. They are made from refined flour. Did you know that instant noodles are made from white refined flour that is stripped off all the healthy nutrients and it is left only with carbohydrates in the form of starch? Well, yes, and you should also know that eating white refined flour increases the blood sugar levels. This process increases the risk of blood sugar and diabetes significantly. All that sugar you feed your body with converts to fat and stores in your body so it can be used later. That is one of the main causes of obesity and heart diseases. They are full of toxins that harm your organism. Instant noodles are loaded with harmful toxins which are really bad for you and can damage your organism. When the manufacturers produce these instant noodles, they usually fry them during that process. The oil that is used for their frying is not changed after every use, nor is it properly maintained. As a result, there is an accumulation of oxidizing agents which attract toxins. All these harmful substances are packed along with the noodles together with all the degraded oil and fat. You should know that this can be really bad for you and your health in general. It can cause food poisoning and increases the risk of contamination by instant noodles. As you can see, instant noodles are really bad for you. They don't have any healthy nutrients. They are loaded with sodium, saturated fats and other toxins that can harm your organism. This is why you should avoid this inexpensive and unhealthy food and eat healthy food. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.